if you want to get started into pot vegetable gardening and you don't know where to start, here's a little handy hint. This is a 28 litre pot from Bunnings, costs around $8–9. You get a saucer like these to go with it for an additional about $3. You've got about 12 bucks worth of hardware there. Now of course these last more than just one crop. These ones are about 8 months old here. We've got some beans growing in here at the moment. Your soil, garden veggie mix, has pretty much everything you need in it. There's the lower affordable stuff like this for about $5 a bag or less, which I usually put something like a compost with it. Once again, approximately another $5 a bag, and we can amend those together, put them in, get a couple of pots out of this with those 2 bags, and then head into the nursery and you can pick up some seedlings ready to go for as little as about $4, $4.50 for a tray. Now these beans were in fact from Bunnings. These are just bush beans, green bush beans. They're about 8 weeks old. Got some fruit coming off here at the moment. And that cost me, between the pot, soil and the plants, less than $25. So if you want to start your gardening journey and you don't know where to start, think of getting yourself a pot, some cheap stuff, some seedlings, and about half an hour of your time, and you'll be underway. Happy gardening.